Today's episode being in Utah. Currently headed down to Nephi. Got the car back there on the trailer. We're headed on Wyoming Highway 220. Headed to I-80. We're gonna run I-80 all the way down and into Utah. Give you an update when we either get to Utah or the first gas fill. Enjoy. I forgot to give an update when we hit Rollins, got gas, but we're on I-80. We got 5 hours left on the adventure before we hit Nephi. So we'll be there in Nephi around 1-ish. Then we go hang out with the redneck racing crew. Get that hunk of junk all tuned up and ready to rock. See you guys in Utah. Give you a little bit of the scenery on I-80 headed to Utah. Got 158 miles. When we left Rollins, we had 348. We've done almost 200 miles on a quarter tank. So we're gonna burn this. We're just gonna run this girl into Utah. It's gonna be fun. Made it to Nephi. There's the tech barn. There's the car. It melted. It's done. It was fun.
These three are giving it their all. He gets another ticket. The judges are...
That was nuts. Look fun. Oh yeah. Right, you know.
Rudy, good.
Red just needs to cut you're going finally driving Manti?
I think so. I wasn't because he was going to ruin that car tonight, but then that happened. I got to show him how to really drive it.
Yeah. I was Wes. It's like if Greg was able to drive that car, there goes reverse. Even if you still had reverse, you can't back up.
Yeah.
But Paul finally found a transmission he can't delete out of his car.
Yeah.
And ironically, it's the transmission everyone else deletes.
Exactly. Yeah, it's weird. I don't know what it is. He definitely worked it though.
Yeah. And that front end. So I told him a little trick with those Fords. So you take the idler off the frame because when you start nosing out, it goes with the frame and you lose steering. Stick it on that cross member for your engine. And that, as that front end goes up, you can still steer.
Paul's car.
You did good. You did good.
Hey, Paul, usually delete the front half of that, not the back half.
Not good, I don't think.
Yes. Ironically, the transmission your dad can't delete is one everyone else deletes.
True. I mean, that is true. That'd be a fun little ride. Yo, you should let me ride that.
Put your milkshake on it.
What did you? Oh, milkshake.
Yeah, the way that car just.
I didn't even, like, when did you just come up?
Well, after your back window deleting, you didn't need reverse no more.
Well, I didn't, and then I got stuck and I couldn't go forward.
Yeah, I thought I saw your car rocking.
Yeah.
So you don't have reverse now.
I don't think so, unless the rear end broke. Did it look like both wheels were spinning?
It's not every day you get to rub elbows with royalty.
two flat tires. Oh no! Oh, we're gonna stack it up!
Dog's one. He's got. Oh shit! He's
Dog's one.
Alright, you struck Chaz right into.
Right.
Is that Chat? Yeah, that's Chat.
Yep.
That was his teammate for Hebrew. That's one of his teammates. Talking to the winner this morning.
Right.
You've got 14 seconds. 1, 5. Are you not entertained on a Saturday night?
Oh yeah.
Now all we gotta do is let the clock run out. Cadillacs get out of respect to the drivers, they let keep people safe. We're all in when they take the lead. Kind of what's happening right here.
Calling that tip.
They're calling it. Dubs is gonna take the W. How about it, Nephi?
Well, finally made it home from Nephi. We had a catastrophic failure about 3 hours away from home. And I'll show you. So, down in the tow yard, you've all seen this in the lives. This truck we took to Nephi. As you can tell, there's no big red derby car. The derby car is still down in Rock Springs at a buddy's house. But here's why. There's supposed to be parts holding that together. They decided to delete everything. Bell housing, clutch. Even broke a piece off the motor. So now I gotta take this entire truck apart and another one truck and fix it.